7 and 21 G. 7 is Padaipin Karanam Pattavardhanamam and 21 is Valiye Vaganamai Kunda Jeevanam. Okay. Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Sadguru Nath Maharaj Ki Jai. With the immense kripa of our beloved Guru Maharaj, we have all been blessed with these satsangs and utsavas. In this samsara sagara, in Kali Yuga, it is due to Hari Kripa that we have all found refuge at the lotus feet of our beloved Guru Maharaj. This is like when we are stranded in a huge desert and after struggling for days, we finally find the elusive oasis. In this scenario, the huge desert is the samsara sagara and the oasis is the lotus feet of our beloved Guru Maharaj. Our Guru Maharaj, being an Avyaja Kripalu, has shown us the true purpose of this life, of this Janma, and he has also shown us how to attain that purpose. How he does this, Abdina? He does this through his lectures and his divine works. And at this auspicious occasion of the Jayanti Utsav of our beloved Guru Maharaj, it is a bhagyam to even do smarana of his works. And the fact that I've been given this opportunity to share with you all the kinship that I've learned about Kalidharma Undiyar is truly my bhagyam. So in Kalidharma Undiyar, our Guru Maharaj, he teaches us the true purpose of life, of this Janma, and he teaches us how to get there. In the 7th sloka, he says, Padaipin Karanam Pattavardhanamam Vidu Peru Adaivade Undi Pare Vishayanubhavamille Undi Pare. So he says, Padaipin Karanam Pattavardhanamam. The thing is, in this universe, there's a purpose, there's a reason for anything and everything in this universe. And that is the same thing for Padaipa, for creation and this life in this Janma as well. And he says, Padaipin Karanam, the purpose of this Janma, the purpose of creation is Pattavardhanamam. It's so obvious. What is that, Abhina? He says, Veedu Pere Adaivade Undi Para, Vishayanubhavamille Undi Para. Veedu Pere Abhina, Vaikuntam, to attain Vaikuntam, to attain the lotus feet of Bhagavan. That is the true purpose of this life, not Vishayanubhava, not material benefits, not worldly pleasures. This is because the fact is that we are all part of Bhagavan. We have all come from Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is Ananda Swarupi. So when we are the fact is that we have all come from that Anandam, and we are all yearning to go back to that Anandam, right? But the thing is, because of Bhagavan's Maya, we confuse Anandam with Sukham, right? Now, if we take a step back and we look at it, we all have goals in our lives, right? So my goals might be different from your goals, my friends' goals, my colleagues' goals. It might all be different. The fact is, we all have goals. It might all be different. Now, if we embark on a journey where we collect all of these goals and put them in a database and try to analyze it, right? Because everything is so different, right? Now, if we take a step back and try to look at the bigger picture, right, we can see that there's one thing that is common that connects all of these different varieties of goals, which is the pursuit of happiness, right? I might have a goal of buying a new house because I believe that will bring me happiness. I might have a goal of buying a new car because I believe that achieving that goal, buying a new car, might bring me happiness. But because of Bhagavan's Maya, we cannot differentiate between Anandam and Sukham, right? Sukham is what we experience when we attain worldly pleasures, right? So the thing is, if we take any worldly things, right? If we take Sukham or any worldly things, any worldly thing has opposites. Right? If we take Sukham, Dukkham comes along with it. If we take Manam, Avamanam comes along with it. Jayam, Apajayam comes along with it. Labham, Nashtam comes along with it. So everything, there's always an opposite and they all come together. It's not like we're only going to feel the one thing over and over again. We're going to experience both the opposites, right? But if we take Anandam, there's no opposite for Anandam, because when will we experience this Anandam Abdina? Only when we attain the lotus feet of Bhagavan, because Bhagavan is Bhagavan is an Ananda Swarupi. So, adunale, the fact is that we're all, whatever we do, the purpose of this life, even we believe that the purpose of this life is the pursuit of happiness, but because of Maya, we cannot differentiate between Anandam and Sukham. And this is what our Guru Maharaj teaches us in this shloka. He says, படைப்பின் காரணம் பட்டவர்தனமாம் வீடு பேரை அடைவதை உந்தி பெற விஷயானுபவம் இல்லை, because only when we attain the lotus feet of Bhagavan will we experience Anandam. Vishayanubhavam will only give us Sukham, which is temporary. So this is what our Guru Maharaj teaches us in this shloka. Sadguru Nath Maharaj ki Jai. Radhe Radhe.